Hi, welcome to our video. We will be explaining one concept of usability, visual hierarchy. First, what is visual hierarchy? Visual hierarchy is the presentation of elements in a way that suggests importance, created by differences in size and contrast. There are 11 rules to visual hierarchy, including typography, size and scale, color and contrast, perspective, leading lines, repetition, proximity, negative space, alignment, rule of odds, and rule of thirds. We'll be going over all of these today in our video.
The first rule is typography. Typography is how you can arrange textual elements to bring attention to them and set importance. Tools to do this can be size, scale, color, and contrast. For example, if we look at some of these posters on this poster board, you'll notice what stands out the most about this one in particular compared to the others.
Another rule to visual hierarchy is perspective. Perspective is creating a feeling of height, width, depth, and position in relation to other objects when viewed from a particular point. For an example, we can view the steam stack up close, making it look huge in comparison because we are near it. But when we take a step back and look from a different perspective, adding the buildings surrounding it, it doesn't appear to stand out as much.
For leading lines and proximity, we chose to look at this website as an example. If you look closely, you can see the lines connecting the text boxes leading you down the page. The text boxes have a consistent proximity to each other to indicate that the web page continues.
Repetition is used to showcase a theme and create consistency throughout the website. For example, this website and its web pages all feature the same footer.
Negative space brings focus to important elements on a page. For example, this page uses negative space to bring focus to the document on the screen by leaving blank space on either side.
Alignment mostly refers to text and images. Left alignment is often favored because we read from left to right. For this example, you'll see throughout the web page the text is mostly left aligned to create ease of reading.
Lastly, we have two rules to visual hierarchy. There is the rule of odds, which creates balance through having an odd number of elements, and the rule of thirds, which expresses focal points by dividing an image into a 3x3 grid. For example, in the video, the flowers on the board are grouped into a grouping of 3, which creates balance. Now, while taking a picture of the flowers, they are on a cross point of that 3x3 grid on the camera to create a focal point.